Now that COVID-19 vaccines are rolling out, pregnant and breastfeeding women may have some questions. As our Rebound Arizona series continues, I spoke to an OBGYN about the possible risks and some of the benefits that come with getting the shot. Crystal Pakanowski is a doctor at Banner Health in Tucson. Not to mention, she's 6 months pregnant during a pandemic.
I have definitely been nervous. I think a lot of that has to do with what I do for a job. So being an OBGYN, I work in the clinics and I work in the hospital, so I am constantly exposed.
When you're pregnant, your body's immune system doesn't function the way it's supposed to. And for the most part, that's a good thing. It allows mothers-to-be to carry a baby without risks of the body attacking the pregnancy. But there is a downside.
We are then more susceptible to contracting illnesses and having a more severe impact from those illnesses should we contract them.
When you're dealing with a novel virus like COVID-19, clinical trials are a great way to get to the bottom of unanswered questions. But if you're pregnant, you are considered to be in a protected population. And doctors say it's not uncommon for that group of people to be excluded from clinical trials.
We don't have that very specific data which is focused on pregnancy to be able to provide to the community so that they can make what they feel is a very well-informed decision.
But even though there is no for sure answer as to whether or not the vaccine is 100% safe for expectant mothers, doctors say
there is a lot of information that you can extrapolate from the studies that were done on non-pregnant women. So no evidence to say that it is not safe at this time.
Pregnancy is all about timing. You've got 9 months to grow that little person. So we also wanted to know, is there a better time than another to get the shot?
Right now, I don't think that we can recommend that one trimester over another is a better time to be vaccinated. My recommendation would be, as long as you're comfortable getting the vaccine, I would be vaccinated as soon as it's available to you.
So let's say you heed that advice. Remember our story last week that talked about how antibodies help protect us from viruses like COVID? Well, doctors say once you have your baby, and if you decide to breastfeed, that newborn could possibly benefit from your vaccination.
And it actually may provide some immunity to baby, because once your body develops those antibodies to COVID, you can then pass them through the breast milk to baby.
You can find just about anything online, and it can be really easy to go down a black hole filled with all sorts of misinformation. So if you've got concerns about the vaccine and your pregnancy, skip the Googling, talk to your doctor, and get that peace of mind that's so important to have when you're getting ready to bring another human being into the world. Mark Charter, KN9, on your side.